I am just asking you if you have the document or not under oath.
Of the family who
Yeah.
reported?
Yeah.
None, sir.
Oh, none.
It's
Oh.
on the, like I said, it's a...
So none. You don't have.
Okay, sir. Next time po,
What's
kukuha
next
po muna-
time?
next time po, bago po tayo magsulat ng mga ganon, kailangan kumuha po muna tayo ng mga dokumento under oath.
You are accountable to the victims and you are accountable to us in the Quadcom. Pinasinungalingan mo kami. Pinasinungalingan mo ang mga victims. Now look, if you do not apologize right now, you listen.
Yes, Your Honor.
If you do not apologize, I am going to make a motion to hold you in contempt.
I apologize, sir. And tulad nga po ng sabi ko kanita, sa susunod po ay maghahanap na lang po muna tayo ng mga under
Yun.
oath. At
Okay
hindi
to,
po
ha?
tayo magre-rely sa mga balita ng news.
Salamat
na lang.
po.
Okay po.
Kaya
Maliwanag
fake news. Yun ang ibig sabihin non fake news. Ito